Happy Tuesday night.
Happy Tuesday night.
Long day.
Yes, it was. But it was a good day.
We were working hard.
We were.
I gave a 6-hour lecture to a bunch of therapists all around the world. I'm pretty excited about that. But we want to make sure that you know about the event on Saturday.
We have 3 days left for you to register, 4 days until the event. So it's getting close. It's a free live virtual event.
And we're going to hang out with some just amazing people and talk about overcoming anxiety, depression, trauma, and grief. It is just everywhere. And you want to have the skills you need to manage your mind at this very stressful time.
And this new round of lockdowns is now just, I'm getting all kinds of messages and people are just, you don't lose hope right now. I mean, people start to feel frustrated and hopeless, and now is not the time to lose hope. We have a special bonus guest speaker, Joseph McClendon, who is Tony Robbins' right-hand guy. He's a doctor of neuropsychology, and I did a live chat with him yesterday, and if you didn't get a chance to see it, you want to see it. So go to my Facebook page or my Instagram and make sure you look at this live chat, because this is the level of speakers that are going to be at this event. I mean, it's amazing, and Joseph is just a special treat. So highly recommend it.
And we're going to talk to JJ Virgin about diet, just so critical during this time.
Carolyn Leaf about managing your mind. Dr. Sharon May about relationships.
And the dragons from the past that are still breathing
fire
on your emotional brain. Everybody loves the dragons.
And Dr. Derwin Gray, who I love. He has just got an incredible story of overcoming. Super excited for you guys to hear that, because I want to talk to him about spirituality, like how he managed to not lose hope and faith during such a difficult time in his life. And it's an amazing message.
And I hear you're going to give away a free evaluation at Ayman clinics, including scans.
Yes, I made that determination.
Yes, you did.
So I'm giving away a free evaluation, and
she's the boss. That's pretty clear.
But we just know right now people need something to look forward to. You need something to look forward to. You need something to be excited about, and it's free. It's just going to be a good time. We're going to actually have practical takeaways for you. It's just whenever I've gone to events, I know you've always called me a seeker in the past. So I went from not talking to anybody about anything in my life forever. And then I recently wrote my new book, The Relentless Courage of a Scared Child, and I sort of aired everything. But in that process of getting well, before I got to this point of wanting to write a book, I got well and then I started seeking. I loved going to events. And I find it magical when this many people get together. There's a ton of people that get together and there's this energy that happens. And right now we can't go to those events live, but that doesn't mean we can't actually have these amazing speakers speak to us, and we can still join together.
From the comfort of your own home. So
and you can join together, right? I'm wearing pajamas right now. Nobody knows, pajamas. Right? So I'm wearing my pajamas. But we still don't give up just because we can't do it. So there's a
question. How do we join?
So
go to tanaayman.com/event.
Right.
tanaayman.com/ we already have 6,000 people.
Almost 7.
Who are signing up.
Yeah.
We would dearly love you to join, because we're creating a community of brain warriors, people who are armed, prepared, and aware to really win the fights. And you have to now, just because of the stress that's assaulting all of us.
Right. And we're going to be really providing this information based on a lot of the ways that we really help people through Ayman Clinics, which is based on your 4 circles. Biology. So there's the biological circle, what's going on with your body,
and your
brain, your genetics. Well, I think your brain's part of your body. But anyways, your psychology, how are you managing your mind? Your social circle, who are you hanging out with? Because people are contagious, right? And then your spiritual circle. What gives your life meaning and purpose? Because purposeful people live longer and they're happier. So what do you have besides yourself going on that's bigger than yourself? that gives you
Well,
reason
and
to
it's
hold
so
on.
important because most people don't know that December is typically the lowest month for suicide. I mean, lots of depression, but it's the lowest month of suicide because you have things to look forward to. But I'm really worried this December because people are so isolated and so alone, and we're going to tackle that issue. How can you find hope when you feel like it's hopeless? Well, it's not hopeless, and this is going to end whenever that may be, and we're going to give you tools to help you manage through.
You know, it's an unprecedented year, but just keep putting one foot in front of the other. This is one of those ways just keep joining things like this that give you that positive energy, that positive hope. It's free, it's live, it's virtual. You can do it from your house. And we're just giving you it's these world-class speakers for free. But, you know, I remember when I was in nursing school.
Somebody said the mic wasn't working.
Oh, sorry. Does that mean they couldn't hear us the whole time?
I don't know. We'll find out.
Oh,
we'll
that's
look at
not
some
good.
of
Hopefully you could hear us.
Frozen.
Oh, now we're frozen, yes. Okay. Well, let's hope that it was working. When I was in nursing school, I had this, whenever I felt like I was taking 22 units in school, I was doing my clinicals, I was so overwhelmed, I was working, I had a job. And whenever I felt like I couldn't do it, I just felt overwhelmed and so anxious. I had this little exercise I would do with myself. And it's like, I would break it down into bite-sized chunks. And I would tell myself, you can do anything for 3 months. You can do anything for 3 months, right? And no matter how bad it is, you can do it for 3 months. So break it down like that, and then you'll be able to get through it. And so just keep doing these events. Follow the people you love. I have a series of people that I follow on social media who are very positive and uplifting and authentic. They're not just showing me how amazing their life is on yachts and whatever. They're actually being authentic. Like today I did a live chat with Nathan Mansfield. Oh my gosh, what an incredible guy. And so, you know, we just had this amazing chat. We'll follow people like that just give you hope and lift you up. And join us because it's going to be fun.
We're looking forward to seeing you.
So
I get to be the
Ayman,
MC.
Yes.
TanaAyman.com
/
event.
Yes.
We'll put it in the notes as well.
All right. Have a good night. Bye.